ओ डार्क जाता बाय तोय घालूया ती डार्क तुझे काढून ना तुझे स्टोरीचे काढतले
ना 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 अजून डिसाइड जाऊंगा स्टोरी देयर वाज अ हांगरी फिश मैं तेरे को सपोर्ट करूंगी
बाय ए वाटेन हाड ते वाटेन हाड बाय ते वाटेन हाड थंय हांगा हां
देयर वाज वन
राव बेस्ट थिंग
हांगरी फिश शी स्टिल प्रैक्टिसिंग फॉर द स्टोरी क्या मेरे को पूछना मैं बोलूंगी
No, she can. She's good. She's good enough. She's just putting her story together.
दैट इज सी लायन ठीक है ना वो सी लायन है और वो टॉर्टोइस है परत एकदा करचें पडटलें
ना इथून स्टार्ट कर नंतर मग ताका एडिट करूया न्ही
आणि तेका मागीर क्रॅप मेळ्ळी
क्रॅबाचे कोंकणी नाव काय कोंकणीन क्रॅबाक कितें म्हणटा
नो आय डोंट नो आय फॉरगॉट
ओके आं तर
द क्रॅब वॉज डान्सिंग
अशीच धरून ताका डान्स कर हां
and the tortoise came dancing and they both danced
अशीच धरून ताका डान्स कर हां
tortoise called all of the friends and danced and then a crab and tortoise said you can be my friend crab said yes I can be your friend and all of them gone for a walk बंद कर
करू
अरे रुक
अशी धरून ताका स्विम करप तूं दिसता न्ही right shark came that's mouth watering so who did it want to eat
the shark wanted to eat turtle
oh just pick it up huh?
all the friends attacked him and the shark gone away దాంట్లో స్టోరీ చేయొచ్చు కదా అది సో ఇంకో 5 minutes ఆగి వస్తున్నా The four friends was very happy to see the tortoise life and then one mermaid was sitting in the ocean then the crab said to mermaid you can be my friend the mermaid replied yes I can be your friend
everybody played and lived happily ever after
everybody
played happily
After.
ever after.
And the shark didn't come back.
And the shark didn't come back.